see those city fellas with their fancy rides. They buy up their pride with things money provides. They flash their gold watch and that high-rise view. But honey, I got something that money can't do. I got the morning painted right here on my shed, and the sweet quiet comfort and the words we said. I got the loyalty, I got the trust, a feeling that ain't ever gonna turn to dust. I got the happiness where the wild grass grows, and a love that the whole wide world knows. I got a simple, true heart in this little piece of land, and that, darling, is the pride of this country boy man. You can't price a porch swing on a summer night, or that kind of simple truth that just feels right. My wallet's thin, but my promises are wide, and I'll stand right here forever by your side. Forget the diamond, honey, look at the stars up high. That's the kind of value that money can't buy. Yeah, we got the love that the whole wide world needs, planted on loyalty and grown from good deeds. Honey, I got you and me.